We hardly step out to shoot on this channel, and this promised to be exciting. I mean, beautiful girl, beautiful location, cool concept, everything was supposed to be great. Okay, we're not there yet. He says it's like 10 minutes walk from where we parked our car down to the waterfalls, and we're hoping to capture some beautiful shots of a beautiful model.
The name of the place is Adom Waterfalls. It's located in Obosomasi. Just after Ebri. Yes, okay. So if you also want to make the trip sometime.
When was the last time you came here?
2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah. So I want to see what it looks like now. So.
And it's been raining for some days, right?
For the whole week.
For the whole week. Yeah. So you are guaranteeing that
there's water.
The water is really going to be falling.
Water at the waterfall. Yes, if you know what I mean.
Would you want to introduce yourself to them?
Yeah, well, my name is Princess D. Sherman. I'm a Liberian and I'm a student also in Ghana. Studying fashion design.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Have you?
Oh, today I'm modeling for you guys.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Have you done anything at the waterfalls before?
No, this is my first time.
But have you been to waterfalls, like visited any?
Yeah, back
here in
home.
Ghana?
No.
Or back home?
Yeah, this is my first time here.
Okay. Is the road as rocky as
Very.
This is looking really, really good. I love the greens. I love nature. I actually love shooting outdoors, to be honest. I'm also liking the fact that I'm being challenged by my friend Patrick to come outside today, even though it's raining. Hopefully we can get some amazing content today. So stay tuned. Up and you're looking that way. Yes. Awesome. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, let me get a little closer. But that hand, I don't know how you relax it. This entire shoot was done with natural light. I only used a reflector to bounce some of that light to give us a bit of direction in the shots. So when we were coming, it was drizzling. When we checked the weather app, it said there was 50% chance of rain, and right now we are being so drenched in the rain, but we still want to get some shots before we leave. Too high, reflector too high. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Let me see if I can go here. Watch it, Joe. All right. I'm trying to get as many different angles as possible just to get a lot of variety. Okay. Ooh, look straight into the camera for this one. Yes, but bear with us. We didn't plan for it to go this way, but I mean, we're in a natural environment. These things are prone to happen. If you're in a studio, you have control of every single thing. But yeah, I think this is still going to be quite an exciting and interesting shoot. We will get very interesting looking images. I'm hopeful for that. Otherwise, this entire effort would have gone waste. When we got to the location, the first thing that we did was just walk around a little bit, and we picked some spots that we knew would look very good for the photos. But unfortunately, it started raining heavily, and then we just needed to get some shots to use, and so we ended up just sticking to just like 1 or 2 places for the shots. Will you call it your most challenging shoot? Yeah, just because of the weather. I take very, very good care of my equipment. I don't always shoot under conditions like this, but I'm shooting with a Canon R5 and it's weather sealed, including the lenses that I have, and so I knew that this kind of rain was not enough to damage it. After the shoot, everything was working really fine. My camera is getting drenched. Getting really drenched. Are you moving? I'm hoping this camera survives.
Even though this downpour was not really a part of the plan, we still had so much fun capturing these images and under these conditions.
What you going up there? Yeah. Yeah. Raise your hands. This is looking hazy, but I hope.
Look up his wrist.
Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. I think we have it, to be honest. I think we have it.
So I just want to show you some of the images that we got from the shoot. I know it was a very challenging shoot, but we did get some exciting images. For example, this, and that. Those are very similar looking poses. So I will end up just picking one of them. But I also like this image very, very much. And I know that you're seeing that some of the images are looking desaturated and some of them have some color in there. I will talk to you a little bit more about that. This, for example, is also another really nice shot that I like, but I feel I like this a lot more just because of how mysterious it looks. And then when we went to the other side, I ended up just picking one shot like this so we can see a full outfit. I will take out his arm from here. And yeah, that pretty much is my selection. Out of these three, I haven't settled yet on the one that I think is going to be my final shot. And then we're going to have a tight shot, something like this, and then we're going to have like a detail shot as well as the full shot. So let me just go on to Camera Raw and show you something real quick. So this is your raw file, and I'm really impressed with how much information is retained. I know that I'm not really blowing out anything or compressing anything in the shadows. If you look at the histogram, you will see that we do have some detail that we can actually retain. If you want me to do a full retouching video where I start from here, my raw processing, and then moving it into Photoshop and doing a full retouching, let me know and I will create that video. But I already have a preset here that I created specific to this image, and you will see if I just hover, you will see that we are compressing a lot of the details in the highlights and the greens, bringing the richness out of the tones. You will also see that the blue spikes if you look closely over here, and all of the information is like being stretched out, but adding the contrast and the color details, and increasing the saturation and skewing some of the colors is just compressing everything and then boosting the feel of the image. So again, if you want to see me do a full retouch, let me know in the comments down below and I will be sure to do that. But here with one click, I have been able to process this image, and when I hit on done, it will see that it applies over here. So it's really interesting what you can do with your raw file. So starting from here, looks gray, ashy, desaturated, and over here you can see that it is looking really, really nice. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I will catch you guys in the next one, and remember, don't ever give up.